Hello everyone, welcome back to Maimon Tech Tips. Hope you guys are doing great and thanks for showing interest in this video. Xiaomi recently launched QLED TV for the first time, which is an 55-inch 4K QLED TV. In this video, we are going to talk about that TV in depth in 7 different categories: display, processor, audio, build quality, connectivity, other features, pros and cons, and finally the buying guide. By end of this video, you will get a clear idea about this TV in depth. So without wasting your time, let's get started. Before that, if you guys are into Maimon Tech Tips, please support us by subscribing to Maimon Tech Tips for more such videos. We post tech videos like this regularly. One of the major points Xiaomi highlighting for this TV is QLED panel. This TV has 55-inch QLED display which can support Dolby Vision, HDR10, HLG, and this TV comes up with 350 nits of brightness, 60 Hz display rate. The first question we are going to have here is it the QLED going to improve the picture quality a lot? Yes, it's going to improve the picture quality, but not in a greater extent. The normal LED display panel and QLED display panel are almost the same. The only difference is the QLED panel uses the filtering of LED lights so that the color will be more natural. When it comes to the software side of the display, this TV comes with an Vivid Picture Engine. Vivid Picture Engine is something developed in-house by Xiaomi for in-depth picture clarity and color range as well. When it comes to Dolby Vision is something which can produce dynamic brightness in the display. Dolby Vision can support up to 4000 nits of display brightness. The major drawback is this TV has only 350 nits of maximum brightness, which means in some cases, if the Dolby Vision needs to peak the maximum brightness up to 500 or 600 nits, this TV can't do that. So Dolby Vision will work perfectly fine over here, but we are not going to experience full in-depth experience of the Dolby Vision. When it comes to the audio, this TV has 30-watt speaker inbuilt. This TV comes with 2 dedicated tweeter and 4 full-range speaker. And when it comes to the audio support, this has Dolby Audio as well as DTS HD. This TV has a dedicated ER port, which means this TV can support audio signals up to Dolby Atmos. When it comes to the internal speaker of this TV, that is really good, which is going to be a deal breaker for this price. When it comes to the audio format support, this TV supports only Dolby Audio as well as DTS HD, which means it doesn't support Dolby Atmos or DTS-X. That is actually a drawback. So when you are playing Dolby Atmos content in Netflix via this TV, you are going to get only 5.1 surround sound via this TV. The eARC is coming into picture. If you are connecting any Dolby Atmos content via some external device directly to the TV, then this TV can pass that sound to its external soundbar via eARC. When it comes to the design and build quality, this TV comes with an glossy metallic frame with engraved MI logo on that, and the back panel of the TV is made of carbon fiber, which is not only going to enhance the look and feel of the TV, but also going to enhance the impact absorption of the TV. Xiaomi has done a good part in designing the TV. When it comes to the connectivity options, this TV has 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, 1 headphone port, 1 Ethernet cable, 1 optical out, as well as AV input, traditional RF jack, and TV antenna cable in. And as we saw, the connectivity option is really good, and it also comes with an ER port, which is an added plus. They could have included 1 more HDMI port so that in the long run we won't face any HDMI port crunch. As we told, this TV has an 2.1 ER port, and it has Bluetooth 5.0 and dual band Wi-Fi connectivity. One more important feature is MI Quick Mute. Usually if you take any Android TVs, you have to reduce the volume to get it muted. In this case, you can just double tap the volume low button and the TV will go to mute. This also has MI Quick Settings as well as MI Quick Wake. With the MI Quick Wake, the turn on time of the TV is going to be less than 6 seconds. Since this TV has an HDMI 2.1, which is the latest technology in HDMI, the response time of the TV is going to be really quick. So if you are connecting the TV via Xbox or PS5, you are going to get a real-time sync between the Xbox and the TV, which is going to enhance the gaming experience. Till now we have covered all major aspects of this TV. When we talk about the pros and cons of the TV, these are the points. This TV comes with an QLED display panel, and the build quality of the TV is top notch. As we all know, the service of Xiaomi is really good across India and in other countries as well. And the inbuilt speaker of this TV is really good. Nowadays it's very hard to see any TV with dedicated tweeter. Xiaomi has done a really great job in that. And this TV also comes with Android 10 support as well as Dolby Vision. And these are the major plus points of this TV. So when we talk about the cons of this TV, the price range of the TV is a little bit on higher side. The price is around 55k On top of that, this TV doesn't have an Dolby Atmos support, and one major drawback is this TV can support only up to 350 nits of brightness. With QLED display and Dolby Vision, at least 500 nits of brightness is mandatory to get full potential of these latest technologies. The TV size is little bit bulky when compared to other TVs in this market in this price range, since they are trying to increase the inbuilt speaker performance, which end up having larger TV size. So this TV comes with a refresh rate of 60 Hz. I won't say it's a con, and definitely it's not a positive point to consider for this TV. For a 55K price tag, this TV offers 55-inch 4K QLED panel, 6 inbuilt speakers for a TV. If you can buy this TV around 45 to 50,000 rupees, then it's going to be a steal breaker deal. I think rather than spending 55K for this TV, you can spend 20K more and buy Samsung QLED 55-inch frame TV. If you are someone who is looking for a good TV but don't want to invest on soundbar, then this TV is a must purchase. Buying a soundbar is not a problem for you. If you can buy this TV around 45 to 50,000 rupees, then it's going to be a value for money deal. Hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions regarding this TV, please leave a comment in the comment section below. We'll try to answer as soon as possible. Till now we have answered all the comments we have got. If you find this video useful, please leave a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to Maimon Tech Tips for more useful tech videos like this. We post tech videos like this regularly. Thanks for watching. You can watch our other videos right here. Stay tuned. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you.